Why is it get like that? One four. Cabrio, wait there, get in here. Why 7 works? Okay, whatsoever. How 7 works? 8 is locked. Fixture. That's going up. Come on in. Come on in, guys. It's gonna go up and it's gonna go down. I press 7 anyways. It's Sunday, so that's how it is, can be busy. What floor are you guys going to? Sorry guys, you guys going up 1 floor. Shh. There goes my marks. Four. It's because it's Sunday, these elevators can be busy.
Especially today, because that's the
yes.
anniversary of St. Joseph.
Oh yes, one of those days.
Yeah, that's the day.
Come on in. Come on in. You're welcome.
Six floor.
We're gonna go up in a minute.
Oh, ça descend. Ça descend.
I'm just gonna 1 second.
Just 1 minute. Yes, a minute. Okay. What happened?
It's just pressing just went down by itself because I pressed it first.
You press first.
Up. Come on in.
Oh, madam, oh. Come, sister. Sorry, sister. I didn't recognize you. Sister. Bonjour, sir. Nice. Okay, bye.
4. Take care.
Okay.
Come on in. Come on in.
Anybody else want to come in? Yes?
You guys going to 4?
We're going to, this is 4, right?
This is 6.
Oh, this is 6? We're going to the main level. I don't know what
It's
the main...
4. 4 and then you get switched to another elevator.
Okay.
Because 5 is... Sorry guys, another 4 up. I'm gonna press door close.
Is this on the main floor?
No, 4. 4.
4?
4 because you can't go to 3 because this elevator switched to another elevator down.
Oh. So this is...
No. It's the 6, 4. Come on in.
So where we were at originally...
6.
We were at 6?
Yes,
That's
6.
where the basilica is at? St.
Yes.
Joseph's Basilica?
Yes.
6? Okay, we have to go back there for mass.
Number 1 is a mass.
Oh, is it number 1? No. 6.
See if it's busy or not. 4. Can't tell the views right now. These elevators can be busy right now on these days time. What happened to the indicator? You can't go down here. This is the only floor you can go out. This floor you have to go out because there's another elevator for you to take.
Okay.
Kidding me? Who pressed 3? 8. Let's try again. 3,500 pounds. These are fixtures. Cabio. These elevators can be busy right now. Pretty nice elevator. 7. C. Not so scenic. See that side. There's a color change. Sure.
Thank you.
What goes up must goes down because this one's going up right now.
Oh,
I'm gonna go for what's out here. I want to see that something. 1 second. Different view. 1 second. Different window glass doors. Okay, I'm ready to go.
I don't know qué padre que es. Aquí está tapando que 5?
No, one more floor. This is 6
Oh,
because I pressed 7.
oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Fina pizza.
Cabio again. Pretty nice elevator design. However, it's not so scenic. We're on 4.